Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Login. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to set up Mycelium Wallet account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Mycelium is an iOS and Android Bitcoin wallet application. It is very easy to install and it allows you to use the Bitcoin payment network. Start by downloading Mycelium Wallet application from your Google Play Store or App Store. Let me go to my Play Store since I'm using my Android device for this. Type in Mycelium Wallet in the search box and search. From the search result, tap the install button to begin the download process. After the download is done, tap the app open and now go ahead and restore a backup if you already have a wallet, or you can also create a new by tapping on create new. Wait for a few seconds and you can use your wallet right away. To ensure security, select Backup Now in the pop-up. From the pop-up, select Yes in order to back up your master seeds. The master seeds allow you to restore your fund on your HD Bitcoin accounts if your device is lost or damaged. Tap Yes from the pop-up and now tap on Show First Word. The 12 words will be individually displayed. Write them down on a piece of paper and store it safely. Reveal the next word by tapping on Next Word and secure all of the phrases somewhere safe. Remember not to share these words with anyone. Finally, after you're done, enter the words you just wrote down, one after another. Once you type it in, keep adding the words to their correct orders. After you're done, you'll be able to see that your word list backup has successfully completed. Make sure to store the backup in a safe place since your funds will depend on it. Now you can go ahead and configure a PIN by tapping on Set PIN Code. Enter a new PIN that you'd like to use for your account. Confirm the PIN by typing it again, and you are done. If you misplace your password or lose your device, you'll need your PIN code in order to use your Bitcoins. Now, after you're done setting up an account, you can receive and send payments by clicking on the Send or the Receive button. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.